Dilations is a transformation. Dilations will either enlarge a shape or reduce a shape. Means it's going to make it bigger or smaller. The image that is produced is similar to the pre-image. What similar means is that it's the same shape, however, it has a different size. In order to dilate a shape, you need to know the scale factor. The scale factor will tell you how much you enlarge or reduce the shape. It is a ratio. Comparing the image with the pre-image. Remember, the pre-image is the original shape that you have. The image is the changed shape. The center of dilation is a fixed point from which all of the points of the pre-image are enlarged or reduced. We are only going to be talking about dilations with centers at the origin, so at 0, 0. The K, which is the scale factor, in this example will be larger, the shape will be larger, if K is greater than 1. So anytime K is bigger than 1, the image will be bigger than the pre-image. If it's between 0 and 1, meaning it's probably going to be a fraction, we have less than 1, but it can't be negative. That means that we are going to make it smaller. The coordinate rule is we take whatever that scale factor is and we just multiply it with the coordinate, and that will give you the new location of the image coordinate. We are going to dilate the figure with the center of dilation of 0, 0, where K, the scale factor, is 2. I have already written down the coordinates. So to find the image of J, I take my scale factor of 2 and multiply it by both of these points. 0 times 2 will remain 0. 1 times 2 is 2. My J prime will be at 0, 2. K starts at 2, 4. Therefore, K prime, 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There is K prime. And finally, we will take pre-image L and turn it into L prime. 1 times 2 is 2. Negative 3 times 2 is negative 6. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There is L prime, and I connect them all together. Hopefully your lines will be a little straighter than mine. And you can see that the blue triangle is twice as big as the original. We want to dilate this figure with a center of dilation at 0, 0, the origin, and with a scale factor of 1/3. Since it's less than 1, we know that it's going to be a smaller line. Again, I wrote the coordinates down. This time we're going to multiply by 1/3, which is the same as dividing by 3. So 3 times 1/3, or divided by 3, would be 1. And since they're both the same value, it's easy to do. For Q, we're going to take 9 times 1/3, which is the same as divided by 3. And I will go over here. 1, 1 is P prime. 3, 3 is Q prime. And I just connect those two together. You can see the blue line is smaller than the original black line. For this example, we want to find the center of dilation. Well, we're only dealing with centers at the origin, so the center would be 0, 0. And the scale factor. We need to find the difference between the pre-image and the image. U is at 1, 2, 3, 4, 0. To get to U prime, if I write that coordinate down, U prime is at 1, 0. I'm going to skip to S. Hopefully these 2 points will be consistent and we won't have to look at all 4 of them. S starts at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So S is at 8, 8. S prime is at 1, 2, 2. We want to try to find a rule. How do I get from 4 to equal 1? And using the same rule, how do I get 8 to equal 2? Well, if I look, 4 to equal 1, if I divide 4 by 4, we get 1. Dividing by 4 is the same as multiplying by 1/4. 8 divided by 4 is 2, therefore our scale factor would be 1/4.